In this video, we're going to talk about how to use TradeSyncer with Tradovate. So with this, we can do this by using this guide provided by TradeSyncer themselves. With this, you can use copy trading in Tradovate and TradeSyncer. For this, you need to actually have a professional trade copier. So use copy trading platform like TradeSyncer that connects Tradovate via API. Now let's use this by webhook integration. Connect TradingView alerts to Tradovate using webhook services for semi-automated copying. So if you want to try manual copying, you can replicate trades. So if you want to set up the automated copy trading, so there's no actual option or there's no actual hassle for you. Sign up for a trial on TradeSyncer, and after that, connect your Tradovate account. You can generate your API credentials from there, then navigate your Tradovate account, under the settings, add API access, create new credentials, copy the key, and add this on your TradeSyncer dashboard. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.